Roasting coffee bean. The process of heating green coffee beans leads to brown coffee beans with enhanced flavor and aroma characteristic. The production method known as roasting represents both a creative practice and scientific discipline. The light roast coffee bean exhibit a mild acid flavor accompanied by light brown bean colors. The coffee beans keep their high caffeine amount after the low temperature short roasting process, which does not allow oil extraction. The coffee bean reaches 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit before being cooled and precisely the moment when first crack produces audible vapors breaking through its southern exteriors. Completion of light roast beans can be labeled as light city or half city or cinnamon roast. Medium roast coffee, ranked as widespread coffee type because it presents both gentle sweetness and neutral acidity with harmonious taste. The roasting process reaches 420 degrees Fahrenheit before before the beans receive extraction. During the first crack moment, but before the point of the subsequent crack, American roast is a common American name for this non-oily medium dark roast. A medium dark roast presents a heavy body structure together with spicy flavor accompanied by bittersweet tang and subtle chocolate and caramel note and smoky elements. Dark roast coffee. Dark roast coffee contains dark brown coffee beans, which reach the second crack during roasting at 445 degrees Fahrenheit. When roasted beans are heated to 445 degrees Fahrenheit, the internal oils from the seed move upwards, which produces a spiced flavor in the dark brown coffee beans. Due to its low acidity, the base of coffee drinks receives this dark brown bean, which has gone through complete roast of its original traits.